Watch out for the bees.
Hell with that.
I know, look at that. Wow, a lot of bees. Looks like they're gonna land on his chair over there. Once the queen bee lands, they all go there. It looks like they're gonna go to his chair.
All in Piano Man's bag. He was all in Piano Man stuff yesterday.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, a bunch of them. He only went to take
They're going right there, landing on the chair.
Well, he was in that purple thing, and this guy fucking moves it.
Oh, you're kidding.
Takes it up.
Oh, no. There they go, landing all on his chair. Oh, that's where you are. Is that your chair?
I was walking right past him.
Is that your chair?
That's Chewy's chair.
Oh no, the guy's touching it.
Fucking idiot.
There they go, landing right on his chair. Well, I don't think anybody should sit on that chair. Here he is, the entertainer, making friends with the bees.
Candyman.
Yeah.
I own Candyman's cupcakes. How can I be afraid of bees?
No.
Like my name's right there on the wall. Candyman's cupcakes. How can I possibly be afraid? They never stand me.
They never have? Wow.
Because I exude no fear, so they don't feel threatened by me at all.
Wow.
I've had thousands of them on me. They don't believe me.
Amazing. They're not stinging you? You didn't get stung?
No, he's right here.
Wow, they like you.
They like
No, they just landed a few minutes ago. Wow, there he is. Even on his hat, he's got a bunch of them. Oh, they just ran off.
Hey, you think you're comfortable moving the chair? Take it out to the. Can you take it out to the field maybe where it was? Yeah.
Stop talking to the boy.
That's where she went. She was in a blanket over there trying to keep people from killing her. The queen moved. Yeah, no, she must have got evicted earlier. Drones get really confused when they get too far from their queen. They can't function without her. She's waiting.
Oh, you did? Where were they?
Girl's blanket. You see this purple blanket over here?
Wait a second.
So they lighted on that, and then she finally moved. I guess not far.
Oh, wow.
Have you ever seen them when the queen moves?
No.
So they cluster around her.
Oh, they do?
Like they really, like she's in that mass right there. They're keeping her warm.
Wow. Why would they want to land on a chair?
Because this is where the queen went.
Oh. She's got a lot of followers, huh?
They're all her children.
How long do you think they'll stay there?
Till she moves. Like some will fly off and get confused, but the mass will stay here that's rising.
It's
They're
incredible.
dancing, talking about where the best food is and where to go. Seriously, they communicate by dancing.
And Venice is like your home. The sun is shining on the sea, and the birds sing welcome. Find everything you need if you go to Venice Beach. This place, freedom is free.